classes and some pools around where Massey's represented. We're starting to see an Oliver now or two come in, some white, some ag coats, so it's getting interesting.
Oh yeah, and the light limited class, we'll be running them out here a little bit later on, fans, about every make and model you can think of. On the line right now, your 2012 Howes Lube Battle of the Bluegrass Point champion, Gary Spiegel. Here he comes. International fans, give him a round of applause.
Hey Tom, to be successful tractor puller, the hood slopes down so the driver can see down front of the tractor a lot better. They're starting to really design into these tractors here function in the field to make them a lot easier to drive and do a good job with. So the slope hoods and the big grills in the front are all functional. Here we go. Justin LaFleur. Sell a lot of them, sell it cheap, but Ford Motor Company back in the 60s decided that, wow, American farmers like choices. Sometimes guys want pickles in addition to the little one, so they started selling pickles, and here we go with one of Ford's big tractors. Cubic inches. This engine had what was called a square engine. It had just the same stroke. Get that 414 cubic inch engine away. Harvester built it. Rev up. That front end bounced down, the rear end kind of came off the ground, and each time he lost that traction, it spun and he lost distance. So he used their cake frosting recipes to flavor their soft drinks. And the rest is history. Try Fago today at the concession stand behind the bleachers. Here we go. Bounce so hard, you get more distance. Last Monday, Memorial Day, on the antique tractor pull, we were not even able to pull the tractors on the track. We had to pull them on the sidelines here because the track was so wet and so out of shape, if you will, from all the rain. But a hard effort this week, and here we go tonight. Looking forward. Gary Spiegel on the Raging Red. Capacity of tractors shut down that day. When the Farmall plant shut down, 25% of tractor production in the United States was locked up. So here we are tonight with a Case IH merger in the form of a 180 driven by Justin LaFleur.